welcome back. My name is Elizabeth Ann and welcome to today's vlog, which is going to be like days of my life doing fun Dallas things. So today is Thursday and tonight I am going to Perot on Tap. I think that's what it's called, but essentially, if you guys don't know, the Perot Museum is this huge science museum in Dallas. I've gone once with my grandmother and my cousins and my aunt, but I was literally probably like 17 or 18. So I haven't been back then, and essentially they have this every week on Thursdays where you can go, and it's adults only, it's 21 plus, and they have food trucks and live music, and you can go see the Pixar exhibit. So I'm very excited. I believe it's $25, and yeah, so I'm really excited. Caitlin and I are going to do that tonight, and I have work the rest of the day. So I'm just enjoying my morning, doing the things. I just filmed some content, which you guys will probably see this before you guys see that. But literally look at all the books I got from Target. I forgot what it feels like to zoom on my Canon. I have my old lens on, like the really small one that comes with the M50, and I'm gonna vlog with this a little bit because I don't know, I just wanted to change the pace, and I got it when I went to the storage unit last week. Be sure to watch that video if you haven't. Go to Oklahoma State. And yeah, so that's pretty much it. I'll catch up with you guys tonight. You guys, I can't get over how lightweight this camera is. It's so nice. Okay, let's go get dressed. I'm restarting the 75 soft or whatever you want to call it. Sorry, the air might be really loud in the background. It's my humidifier. I mean, my air purifier. But I'm restarting it today, and it's time to go for a little walk. Really don't have that much time to go for a walk, so I'm just gonna do probably like 20 minutes and then come back, which isn't that much, but it's better than nothing. Hi queens, I just got off of work. 2 more weeks, 2 more weeks.
2 more weeks?
We're with Caitlin.
That went quick.
Yeah, I know. We're with Caitlin. We're going to the Perot Museum, like I said. Look how cute and like small my lens is.
It's so cute and small.
Smiling through the phone. Okay, it is literally 100 degrees outside. It is so hot.
But this is so even like the worst Texas heat.
There's our favorite spot, Village Burger Bar.
Yes.
Wait, you guys, this is where our co-workers did the installment when they were here last week. Oops. So cute. You guys are in Dallas. Go stay at the Swexon. Wait, is that open already?
It looks like it.
Oh my god, tea! So unfortunately we did have a miscommunication. So how my week has gone. Caitlin thought I bought a ticket with like her ticket with mine, and I thought I almost texted her again to be like, did you get your ticket? But anyway, they're sold out, so I just emailed to see if there's any way they can switch my Thursday on Tap to next Thursday. Also, it's so hot. It's so hot. It is so hot.
We're getting our steps in.
Anyway, we're getting our steps in. We're gonna go try to
Only a 10-minute.
Mi Casina?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna go grab Mi Casina.
We're gonna go get Mexican.
Because we already paid $10 for parking, so we might as well take it in. Yeah. But how gorgeous. This is the Perot, everybody.
Also, everyone is dressed super fancy.
Yeah, that's the other thing.
Like heels, rompers,
please look at us.
Jumpsuits, like
we're wearing gym clothes.
Like
because
it was like an upscale event.
Yeah, I didn't either.
Oh, that is it. We'll just go around.
I know what it is.
Just take a minute.
I think it's because I made it. No, I dropped it like from a height. We're talking about you guys. We made it to Mi Casina. Barely. That ended up being like a 15-minute walk. A 15-minute walk. A 15-minute walk.
Because the museum is so big.
Yeah.
They have to like walk around it. And it wanted us to walk on the highway. Wait, walking on the highway. I would get hit by a car. That's my luck this weekend.
How's the Mama Taxi?
It's so good. So refreshing. Where's that from?
I don't know, but you look good.
Good. What did they say?
Wait, look how cute this is. faucet naturally. Hi guys, I just got off. I went to Starbucks with my friend. Got a green tea lemonade. We're gonna go run errands. I've got to send out a few things. I sold a book. I need to go to like CVS or wherever to pick up some pouches because I have a couple other books to ship out. Let's see what else. I think that's pretty much it. But I'll catch you up with you guys in a little bit, and I think I might ride a fun soul cycle class tomorrow. But anyway, okay. Are you gonna say anything?
No.
Okay, introduce yourself.
I'm Jose. I'm 29. Yes, you can.
Oh, wait, what?
I'll cut it out.
I'm a vibe. I don't really know.
What's your sign?
I'm a Leo.
Oh wait, that's way too close. Okay, sorry.
Hi, my name's Shaylee. I'm 26 and I
And I
can't
can't
do
read.
simple math.
Hi, my name is Sarah. I'm 23 and I'm also a Leo.
Hi, Elizabeth, but you guys already know me.
Tuesday, I'm wearing my hat that my friends got me for a little going away gift. So cute. I literally was watching an episode and being like, I'm gonna dress up more because it was like a comedy podcast, but they were talking about the slobification of America and people wearing like athleisure and pajamas out in public, and literally look at me. This shirt has seen better days. It's one of my favorite shirts in the world. The thought of not having it makes me want to die. But anyway, let's recap the morning, shall we? Because I was supposed to wake up at like 7 a.m. And I did. My blood sugar was low. When your blood sugar's low and you don't eat like the 15 grams of a snack and like 30 grams of of orange juice, never works out. I felt so disgusting. I was like, I have to go back to bed. And I didn't sleep well at all. You guys, I had a dream that I robbed one of my friend's stores. I'm not gonna say who it is or what store it is, but it was so... Walgreens, Target, post office. Just almost forgot that quick that I'm going to the post office. Good morning. I'm so tired. I'm like so dead. 9 o'clock. I woke up this morning. I don't even know what time it was. I fell asleep, woke back up like 45 minutes later, ate something because I didn't really eat dinner last night. I like ate, but it's just weird timing because I worked until like 9:30 last night. What else happened? And I kept waking up in the middle of the night, and then I woke up at like 7, and then I went back to sleep because I was like, and then I have to get up because I have work in an hour and a half. Assistant manager's last day, Allie. You guys met her in this vlog, so I'm gonna go get her like flowers and a cupcake. There's sprinkles literally right here, and there's also a Tom Thumb, so I think I'm gonna get sprinkles and flowers. Anyway, today is a fun day though because we're going to the Perot, but I'm just so, this week has drained me, and yesterday drained me so terribly. Really, thank goodness I cleaned last night. Like I did all these dishes, and I cleaned the kitchen area. It still looks dirty even though I cleaned, but that's fine because I have to like actually clean tomorrow. You guys, I just can't believe that like I'm going into basically my last week. What is happening? Going into my last week, I have 3 more shifts. I technically have 1 more this week that I picked up because somebody wanted me to the day off. Anyway, so I have an extra shift this week because I had to pick someone's shift up. But I have 3 shifts left after today. So I work Saturday. I just can't believe, like, it's over. It's so crazy. And I'm so curious as to what my next job is going to be. I have, like, a couple different things. But I need to go to Fayetteville and fill the area before I start applying to these jobs. Because I've never been to Fayetteville. It's so crazy. I'm, like, moving somewhere I've never been. Ever. So I'm very excited, but I'm also very excited to just enjoy these next few weeks and spend as much time as I can with my grandma. And spend as much time as I can doing all the things I didn't have time to do. There's like 4 museums I want to go to. I want to go to the Reunion Tower. And yeah. I don't know, I'm excited. Anyway, happy Thursday. Let's have fun. I was watching a YouTube video yesterday, and it's so funny, like, what is popular now versus when I first started on YouTube, and how everyone's so obsessed with, like home vlogs and normal vlogs. But whenever I started, it was travel and these big extravagant vlogs. So I don't know. All right, I'm gonna go and quit blabbering. All right, final fit. I'm wearing my Betsy Johnson earrings that have little cube like letters in it. I'm wearing my like mini green dress. I wore it to Bree's birthday. This is not gonna be a good angle. You guys aren't gonna be able to see it, but I'm wearing my Converse because it's hot as hell and I'm taking this bag. It is literally so hot. I'm late and I'm still gonna have to get gas, but let's go pick up Caitlin. You guys, we actually made it to the Perot this time.
College scientists.
I've already chugged.
Oh my gosh, I'm gonna go digging for fossils. Get it?
Yeah.
Get it?
I'm gonna send this to your CEO at Fossil.
Cracking myself. Oh, I saw them the other day. It's the sound of a dinosaur make.
I didn't get hurt. Took me off. Just get up from this
We'll keep track of that.
place. There's not much space. Sat next to me and she looked me in the face.
How are the tacos?
They are so good. My whole meal, everyone, was $40. How? How?
You guys, I just got off of work. I was gonna go straight home, but I'm gonna go do a thing I like to do called go to the British Emporium, because I wanted to do something after work that like I love doing because I'm not gonna be here that much longer, and so I haven't been in forever, so we're gonna go do it. Made it. I feel like I'm definitely gonna run out of storage, so I'm gonna try to do this quick. They're literally so nice here. I got a cold Fanta because I wanted something to drink. I love Fantas there because here they're like, you know, like 40-50 carbs, but in England or the UK or whatever, they're only 15 carbs. They're so good. I remember my sugar dropped one of the first days I was there, and I grabbed a Fanta and was like, why is my sugar not like coming up faster than it is? And it's because it only has 15 carbs. They had my favorites. Miss Percy. These are my favorite candies. I like the like sour ones. They gave me a little goodie bag for free. I got 3 Wastels, a bag of Maltesers, and then my favorite drink. My favorite one is the orange one. They usually have this Caribbean Burst or the raspberry, but they're pretty good too, but I miss the orange so much. And as I was leaving, the guy was saying, you know, stay cool out there, and I didn't understand him, and I was like, I know my body is like going into shock because last summer I was in London. It really is. It's been so hard to just do the heat again because I don't know, I just haven't had a I haven't had a Texas summer in years, but I haven't had like this much heat in forever. Anyway, let's head to the next stop. All right, guys, I am home. I'm going to end it. Oops, sorry. I'm watching Jeff Lewis's house. What is it? Hollywood House Lift. I love the show. But anyway, I'm gonna end it here. I did end up getting one of these cups. I'm so excited. Isn't she gorgeous? None of my cups are making my coffee cold, you know? And so we're gonna try her. She's a little different. She's specifically made for cold brew. Anywho, I will see you guys in the next vlog. Love you queens so much. Mwah. Also from the inside, she looks absolutely gorgeous. But on the outside, she's 105 degrees.